Oh my god, you're so
Let me off the hook. I wanna run wild. Get tangled in the sheets with the lover.
Good morning.
You told me you weren't.
We're on a time crunch. We gotta go.
What time is it?
It's like 7:12.
7:12. And what are we gonna do for 3 hours?
Well, first we have to eat, and then we have to go pick up my boutonniere, and then we gotta go to Viet's.
That's gonna take 3 hours.
And possibly get coffee somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's May 14th, and we are going to prom today. As you know, prom is a whole fiasco, so we've got a lot to do in a short amount of time. I already vlogged my private school's prom, which was last week, so I'll make sure to have that in the description, but this one I'm definitely gonna get a lot more footage of. I'm so excited. Let's do it. Let me tell you guys the plan. Hopefully y'all can see me too. It's kind of like really obnoxiously sunny right now. Currently it's 8:10 in the morning. I have to go to Randall's to pick up my boutonniere, and that has to be picked up at like 9 a.m. We're making a quick stop at Maddie's house so she can grab a couple of things for tonight. Our breakfast was literally so good. Shout out to my mom, TT, you always got us. She literally whipped up like so much food for us. We had oatmeal, Eggo waffles, strawberries, scrambled eggs, and bacon. It was literally amazing. But we gotta fuel up for prom today. At 10:30, Maddie and I are gonna go to Fia's house, and we're gonna meet up with 2 other girls there. We're all gonna get ready, so I think there's gonna be like 5 of us getting ready. I did Maddie's hair and makeup last year, and this year I don't have time to do her hair, so I'm just gonna do her makeup, and then I'm gonna get my hair done at the hair salon. I'm gonna go back to Fia's house and do my makeup, and then I'm trying to think what else. Or maybe I'll do my makeup before my hair appointment. I don't really know yet. From 4:15 to 5 p.m. we're having photos at this like rec center. Dinner reservations are at 6. We're eating at this place called Steiner Ranch Steakhouse, which kind of like oversees Lake Travis, I'm pretty sure, this like super pretty lake. Prom starts at 8. And then yeah, after prom, whenever we decide to leave, we are all going to be spending the night at Fia's house. I can't wait to show you guys the setup that we have for tonight.
I got everything.
How excited are you for prom?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Scale of 1 to 10.
10.
I cannot wait.
Cannot wait. Oh my god. Well, no.
It's so cute.
Oh wait, yeah. I got a spray tan, and I look super tan, and I love it. Look.
We just ordered our coffees. I got a chai, which I haven't gotten in literally forever. I've been getting matchas for like the past couple months, and then I got it with oat milk.
I got an iced vanilla latte with almond milk.
That's really good.
That's really good.
Nice color.
Come here if you live in Austin.
When the lights are off, there's gonna be like disco. Oh, that's a good idea. If we're feeling a little crazy, we got some glitter spray. Oh my god. Look at how cute these unicorns are. Fia got these off of Amazon. And then obviously there's like streamers and stuff. Cutesy. So cute.
Oh, I have teeth whitening strips in right now. And she's doing my makeup. She's doing an amazing job. Sorry, I can't really talk. There's Fia.
Hey guys. It is 11:50.
And my hair appointment is at 1. Hers is at 1:45. And Sophia's doing hers at 2.
It's like all back to back. So, can't get copyrighted. No copyright. So basically,
I'm gonna get
in both ways.
yeah, in all ways possible.
Focus. Wait, if I stand on this. It's what is happening with your camera? Hey, look, I got an idea. Why don't you put it here? Oh, I got it. Put it here. It's 11:59. I brought 3 cameras tonight. It's 11:59 and oh my god, I'm being blinded. And basically, well, here's my room. And look at what I brought. Yes, the Ugg slippers. The Ugg slippers. Are these all brushes? Need a pencil and to go to school? Just kidding. This one has like the full strap. This one is just like.
So you're gonna see which one you want?
Yeah. Because my dress, it kind of has like a very low V.
Oh yeah, in my dress you can see my spray tan.
It's wonderful. Caroline and Maddie went to get their hair done. This year I'm doing my own hair and makeup because yeah, so Caroline already did Maddie's makeup. I think she videoed a little bit of that. Maybe she did, maybe she didn't. At some point Riley's coming over and then at some point Jade is coming over. And then we're all gonna go take pictures and yeah, dinner and the whole dance. Okay, I keep looking to the side because I'm looking at myself. But yeah, so I'm really excited. And I'll update you guys when I'm gonna do my hair. I should be starting that in about 40 minutes.
Okay, so I actually left the light on in the car.
But she got her hair done. Look at it.
Yeah, I got my hair done. I love it.
Doing hair. Maddie's back there.
Yes.
I'm doing my hair. Caroline's still at the hair salon.
No, she's at her house.
She's at her house. Yeah. Check back in later when my hair is done. Hey, what's up? So she's doing her makeup. Look how pretty her hair is. Oh, good. I just did my hair. Well, my mom did it for me. She did a little braid and then I curled it. And then I'm about to do my makeup and then it'll be time to go.
Via, hold up yours.
We got us flowers. Doing so much. I like how we're like all wearing the same. Oh, we're all wearing red. Oh, there's Drew. There's Thea. And there's Aaron. Guys, Drew cheated. I got it first. Wordle of the day is metal. Say hi, guys.
Why are you watching?
This is Jade. This is Vinay. There's Fia and Aaron. Maddie and her date.
I should have brought the other one. I like that one. Hey guys. No! We're waiting on dinner. It's taking a long time. Since Caroline forgot, we have to film now. We're at dinner. The food was really good. Yeah.
Amazing.
We both got the filet. Caroline gets hers well done.
It's really good. I like my steak well done. I don't like to see any pink.
Yeah?
Stop.
Also, we made a phone pile.
Yeah, we did do that.
So we weren't on our phones while we ate. I live in the moment. If you don't make a phone pile, then who are you?
Hi guys, prom is over. Aaron is asleep on Fia. Everybody rate their prom.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Mosh pit was a 10 out of 10. Aaron? 10?
Yeah, okay, we're going back to Fia's house now. Also oh, this song's really good. Shout out to our Uber driver, Faith. Loved him. He was great.
My shirt. So.
It's post-prom. Mosh pits were crazy. And yeah, it was awesome, so. What's up? It's the day after prom. We all survived. We're going to gyms. We're going to gyms this morning. It's 9:32 and I need food. Why are you wearing those sunglasses? Because it's sunny, dude. Okay, so I didn't vlog gyms, but gyms was really good. It was really good. I got French toast, bacon, and eggs. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Really good.
So Maddie's car died. Again. So.
Kaden left the light on.
Because Kaden left the light on. Thank you, Kaden. So now the boys are jump starting the car. Let's hope we don't get a light.
Let's hope they know what they're doing.
Let's hope they know what they're doing for all of our sake.
I thought you were supposed to know what they're doing.
Also, we went to Summer Moon and I didn't vlog that either, but I got a mint matcha.
I thought you were supposed to have your car on when you do this.